We're here today at Flynn Gold's Trafalgar prospect, which, as we all know, is part of our Golden Ridge project in northeast Tasmania. And we're here in what we believe is an ancient or an old water race put in by the miners. We're not really sure of the age, but it is a little bit sobering to think that the young men who built this trench and race could very well have been building trenches later in Gallipoli and in France. But the race was later used to position shafts for mining, and we are about 150 metres north of our Trafalgar prospect, where we're currently drilling, and we've recently announced fantastic results from drill hole 16 with 3 intercepts over an ounce. So a very significant hole for us. We found this trench, or this water race, as a follow-up of our regional soil sampling programs. So we were following up anomalies in the gold soils, and some lumps of float that we've subsequently sampled have come back in the order of 67 grams per tonne gold. So 2 ounce material. Subsequent work following up this race, we've found very nice veins, and you can see here almost a quartz vein, but with a solid vein of arsenopyrite through it. So we know that's going to run pretty high grade gold. Subsequent work that we've done to the north of this old race, we've put in our own trenches, and we're still finding more veins. And if you recall from our very first hole at Trafalgar, at the bottom of hole 2, we found an isolated vein out in the granite, and we're in the body of the granite here. So our model for the intrusive related system is coming together. So that's the significance of this story, is that we're not only growing Trafalgar towards Link Zone and onto the brilliant prospect along the granite contact, which is about a 2.5 kilometre zone, we're also now seemingly growing it north, where we're seeing multiple parallel veins up to 20 centimetres, high grade gold in parallel veins to the systems we're currently drilling. So we're really looking forward to getting our teams in here to do more work, and ultimately drill testing these near surface poorly developed systems.